Hello, everyone. If you are tired of translating documents or you find it difficult to understand them in another language, I am going to show you how to translate them with ChatGPT in the most efficient way. Let us get started. Here is the original passage that I prepared for today's video. I generated it randomly in Microsoft Word. Of course, you could still translate it in Microsoft Word or with Google Translate, but the accuracy is not perfect when the passage is too long or contains many slang terms. It may not meet your needs, but with ChatGPT, the accuracy is completely acceptable, and you can even control the translation style. Here is how you do it. Step 1. Copy the entire passage that needs to be translated. Step 2. Go to ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box like this. Step 3. Don't forget to add a command to let it translate for you. For example, you can ask it to translate the paragraph in the most academic way. Step 4. Send the command and watch the result. Very fast and accurate. And that is not all. ChatGPT can do even more. If you want the passage translated into multiple languages, just repeat the process and add a command to generate other languages at once. I am asking it to generate translations in the 10 most spoken languages in the world. Pretty cool, right? That is the best feature that other translation tools do not have. In summary, translating with ChatGPT has 3 key advantages: accuracy, translation style, and multiple language translation. Believe it or not, knowing this trick will significantly shorten your working time. Thank you for watching.